Alright y'all, third time's the charm, I hope. Keep on messing up. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing chicken fried steak, homemade gravy. Might show you a little bit on the mashed potatoes, I don't know. But if y'all love this stuff, I mean it is great, it's great. It's been a long time since I've done it, so y'all stay tuned and I'll bring you back when it's time to cook. Alright y'all, let's get this show on the road. First thing I'm going to add is some onion powder. I'm going to be exact measurements. I'm going to call it 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of Lawry's seasoning salt. 1 teaspoon of, did I say garlic powder? The first one was garlic powder. Then a teaspoon of Lawry's. Then a teaspoon onion powder. Alright. And then it's all gonna be 1 teaspoon. Make it simple. Teaspoon of black pepper. That's it. And what I'm gonna do is whisk all this together. It's gonna be our dredge. Don't look like enough. I don't know how much flour it is. Matter of fact, this ain't even self-rising. It's more like yeah, self-rising. I'll tell you what, let's go 2 teaspoons. A little more comfortable than that. That's probably close to 2 cups of flour anyway. I just don't want to overdo it. You know what I mean? Might have overdone it on that. Alright, now let's mix it up. Don't think I'm going to add any more black pepper to it because my wife don't like a lot of black pepper. So, like the saying goes, happy wife, happy life. Yeah, that's probably 2 cups of flour. I got way too much. It's self-rising. I don't have no all-purpose. What I'm trying to say. Alright. Bowl over here, if you can see it. I'm going to put in 2 large eggs. Without making a mess, maybe. Then I'm going to pour in a bit of milk. I ain't got no buttermilk, y'all. Buttermilk's probably best. I'm going to whisk all this together. Not too much milk, I don't know. Speed it up a little bit. It's going to be dipped in the dredge once, put the egg wash once and back in the dredge. And I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but I got a pan way back there in the back. Let me show it to you. A wire rack on it right here that I'm going to set them on while the grease gets hot. Mash it in there good. When y'all get through this flour, don't you throw it away because you're going to be using it for your gravy also. Just mash it in there. Yeah, I'm making a mess. I don't know how not to in the kitchen. It's supposed to be messy, ain't you? I may have not have got enough seasoning in this flour mixture. I don't know. It's been a while. I think I got about five pieces of cube steak. Just want this stuff to stick good. Being self-rising flour and all, it might be the best thing to use. I don't know. Keep gliding y'all out of the picture. Sorry about that. See, you usually get screwed up here. That's what makes YouTube a little aggravating every once in a while, trying to remember what you got to say, what you got to do, and all that. When we talking about YouTube, I need some subscribers, y'all. Come on, this stuff's free. I mean, it ain't like I'm asking you to pay me no money or nothing. I got 89 subscribers, and I would love to hit 100 before long. And I'd like to see some more comments on what y'all want to see, what y'all like to eat. I figured out, because a lot of this stuff, especially in the kitchen, I'm just shooting off the hip. I get an idea. Yeah, I watch YouTube. I see what people doing, but you know, maybe it ain't my style, so I put a little twist on it and make it my own. Ain't nothing wrong with that, is it? Tell you one thing I forgot to put in that egg wash. This is some W sauce. That'd been great in there. That's alright. I'm gonna sneak some in that gravy. The bite got more on the table than I do the plate. Alright. A little blunt here. Some grease popping over there. I got some collard greens put up in the freezer. I'll put it up the first of the year. Over there simmering, cooking. I think that will be good enough, y'all. Yeah, this meat's a little darker for some reason. I don't know why. It's vacuum packed and all that. But, I let it sit in the refrigerator the last couple of days to thaw out. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Last piece. Big old pieces. Should have cut them in half. Alright. Got all my dogs around me. Keep on getting y'all playing. Camera's going off, so I guess I'm just still recording. I see the little red light blinking. Alright, that's going to be it for this. Get this glove off and get it all over my camera. You know, it's a good idea to wear gloves too. Alright, y'all stay tuned. I'll bring you right back. Alright, y'all, just checking grease. I overshot just a little bit with about 350. So put this stuff in. I was trying to get this kitchen cleaned up a little bit. I got a very, very small kitchen. I ain't got enough room. Let's see how I'm going to do this. One piece at a time. Probably don't need to cook more than about 3 minutes or so on each side. I might squeeze one more in there. I think you temp out about 350. Alright, let me get this out of the way. I ain't even got a platter fixed to put it on yet. Alright, dogs, y'all need to move it. Alright, I'll get that there again. Alright, I'll bring y'all back when it's time to cook them up. How about that? Alright, y'all can see what I got going on now. I got collard greens here, boiling some chopped potatoes, and I got some good old country fried steak. Let's see. It's just about perfect, y'all. I started out on medium high, concentrating on getting the meat ready, and I forgot about the grease. So anyway, it's all gonna be good. Let's stir these up a little bit. I'll turn them up a little bit. Trying to get everything done at the same time. Two collard greens is already cooked. All I had to do is warm them up. So see if they need any more salt. If they do, I'll just put it on there when I go to chow down in a few minutes. Maybe just a little more, but we'll take care of it later. I'll bring it back when it's time to take chicken up. I mean, chicken fried steak up. What y'all think this steak's done? Oh yeah. Good. I'll need a bigger platter, y'all. Alright. Got 2 more pieces over here. They big. Maybe I can get them both in here. Just like that. Alright. Fingers off here. I need to turn my heat up just a skosh. Alright, taters boiling good. Alright, I'll tell you what, I'll bring you back when it's time to take this meat off. Alright, how about that? I'll show you how I'm going to make the gravy. Alright y'all, let's make this gravy. A little aggravated right now, I think I got the mashed potatoes a little too salty. That's alright. Let's see how we're going to do this now. Remember that flour I told y'all not to throw out? I poured out most of my grease except for a 1/4 cup. And I strained it. All this stuff left over. I'll put it back in the pan and get some good flavor, y'all. Hopefully that's enough. Cooking about medium high. All you want to do is brown this up a little bit. Compensate for potatoes. I won't season this gravy, man. It's probably gonna have too much in it anyway, so I don't know. Sample a little piece of steak while we do it. It's excellent. We're gonna call that good enough. Maybe just sprinkle more. You just want to brown up that flour where you ain't got that raw flour taste. I said I ain't got no all-purpose. So I don't know how this gonna turn out. Gotta keep it whisked. Throw this trash in. Tired. YouTube videos are getting aggravating to make now. I enjoy it. It's just trying to get everything organized, get my head together. Alright, I'm gonna call that good enough. And keep right where it's at. I'm gonna have a cup of beef broth. That might be out of the ordinary. I'll stir it. Yeah, that stuff's starting to thicken up now. Yeah, man, I put too much flour in. That's alright. It's gonna be good, I hope. Lord, I hope it's good. Alright, now we're going to start adding the milk. Take a good little bit. Alright, let me bring y'all back when this is done. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, let's make this gravy. A little aggravated right now. I think I got the mashed potatoes a little too salty. That's alright. Let's see how we're gonna do this now. Remember that flour I told you not to throw out? I poured out most of my grease except for a quarter cup and I strained it. All this stuff left over, I'll put it back in the pan and get some good flavor, y'all. Hopefully that's enough. Cooking about medium high. All you want to do is brown this up a little bit. Compensate for potatoes. I won't season this gravy, man. It's probably gonna have too much in it anyway, so I don't know. Sample a little piece of steak while I do it. It bakes. We're gonna call that good enough. Maybe just sprinkle more. Just gonna brown up that flour where you ain't got that raw flour taste. I said I ain't got no all-purpose. So I don't know how this gonna turn out. Gotta keep it whisked. Throw this trash in. Tired. YouTube videos are getting aggravating to make now. I enjoy it. It's just trying to get everything organized, get my head together. Alright, I'm gonna call that good enough. And keep right where it's at. I'm gonna have a cup of beef broth. Might be out of order there. Yeah, that stuff's starting to thicken up now. I may have put too much flour in. That's alright. It's gonna be good, I hope. Lord, I hope it's good. Alright, now it's part you want to start adding the milk. Take a little bit. Alright, let me bring y'all back when this is done. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all. I think that's good enough. Don't make it how y'all need it. If you like it thick, it's about right dead on. Right there. I got one heck of a mess to clean up. Let's taste it right quick though. I'll find a clean spoon in here. And I got a mess. Trying to clean up and keep everything going. Alright, let's see. Alright. Need some more salt, but we'll put it on my taters. It don't be good enough. Alright. I'll bring y'all back in a few minutes for taste test. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, let's dig in. A little upset about my potatoes. I got a little too much salt in them. I wasn't paying attention. But the gravy ain't salt enough, so I just drowned it down with gravy. It'll take some of that saltiness out. They good. I need a little black pepper on it, but that's what I want right here. Some of that gravy on it. The outside's feeding myself before I fed the dogs today. They ain't liking that too good. They'll get over it now. Alright, y'all. My battery's about to go dead. Appreciate y'all watching. Cheers, y'all. Okay. Main course is excellent. Gravy's excellent. I screwed up the mashed potatoes. I like that though. I didn't know how it was going to turn out with self-rising flour, but it turned out pretty good. All right, one more bite, let y'all go. See y'all next time around. Appreciate you watching.